Welcome. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to free up some space on TikTok using your mobile devices. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, if you're using Android phone, don't worry because the process is still the same. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open your TikTok app and go to your profile by clicking the profile button at the lower right corner of your screen. And now you want to click on the three little lines at the upper right corner of your screen or the menu button. So now you want to click on settings and privacy and scroll down until you see the free up space section. So now here as you can see on my downloads I have 85.3 MB, and for my cache I have 0.0, and on my drafts I have 0.6 MB. So if you want to clear up some space, you can just go ahead and click on the clear button. So here, if you are sure about your action, just go ahead and click on clear. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one and have a great day.